as always, we will do a live example, a coding, so you can follow me. So you should be familiar with Plonker at this point. So let's go to the editor. Yes. Then we go to new, Angular 2, TypeScript. Yes, we want to load it. Then we go to the live preview here. Okay, so as always, we have the hello Angular 2. Okay, let's experiment a little bit with getting the input from the user. Okay, so let's make a space here. And we want to, first, let's do the click. We can define here a button. And we want to, parentheses, capture the click function, and we will call a function. Let's name it onClick. Yeah. Button. Let's put here click me button. Okay, so appear the button. Is it working? No. Why? Okay, we want to capture the click. We will call the function onClick. Oh, we haven't defined the function, right? So let's put here onClick, open, close parentheses. And now let's put an alert. Thanks for clicking. Let's try again. Thanks for clicking. So this is a way to capture events. Let's do the keyboard also. I think this is super important to learn this. So we have an input. Let's be formal. It's an input of type text. Yes. Okay, so let's close this. Let's put a placeholder here. Let's say write something. Okay, good. So we have write something. Forget about the style, it's ugly. It's my ugliest design ever. So, okay. So we want to capture the key up, for example. Okay, let's do this. We want to capture the key, yeah, up. And when we call the key up, we will key up. We call this, we put the key up. Yeah, and let's do another alert, key up. So we focus here in the input, we click something, and we have the key up. Yeah, but normally we don't do this. We capture the key up for what? For getting the user input, right? So what do we want? We want to get the value, yeah, from this input. So this is the most important. Again, I put it in red in the slide, so you should remember this. We have the sharp, and let's call it what? Yeah, input something. It's ugly. Okay, let's use the same as before. Box. Yeah, sorry if sometimes I speak in Spanish. This is my natural language. I don't have this British accent. So, well, okay, so we define here the box, and we have here box.value, right? So now, Adobe, yeah, okay, close, go. So we are defining a local variable here, box. So we want from the box, this is the box, the value. So here we should expect a value of type string. And here we put value, right? An alert. So we type A and we receive A, we type B, we have AB. Remember, we are getting the full value, so not like the key, but we are getting the value from the input. And let's do something more funny because this is terrible, right? Let's do something like this. What happens if we create here a variable, right? Like something written by the user. Terrible name for a variable, right? Okay, so this variable, yeah, will hold. So we can put here this value. Does it make sense? Yes. Every time that we write something here, we will put this value in something written by the user. Yeah, and we want to display it here. So how do we display something? Remember about the previous video, the interpolation, the curly braces. So we can put here something written by the user. Okay, so we don't have anything, but once we start typing, oh, good, we have here something written by the user, right? Okay, well, this was something done just for didactical, right? So I want to teach you a point. I want to teach you how to get the key input, how to define a local variable. But in this particular case, do we really need this input and this function, get the value here, put it in the variable, and then display here this? Maybe, but there is a way more efficient to do it. So I want to learn you something else. So we said that we have the box, right? This is a local variable. So this variable exists in the full template. So we could do here this. Sorry, box.value. Let's see. Yeah, good. So we don't need this part, the key up, all this setting a variable, because we are defining a local variable and we can do something with it. And this is just great, right? Okay, so I hope that you enjoyed this video. This is a way that we can handle user events in Angular 2. So simple as this. And see you in the next video.